Hello, I am Centimus Prime, and here I will be unboxing the Solar Robot 12-in-1 kit. So first and foremost, we will be taking a look at the box itself, and I do apologize for the background noise. As of the time of this recording, it is currently raining outside. But I'm not going to let that stop me from taking a look at this sort of box. This interesting little thing. So we can take a look at this. So, looking at the front, you do see some nice product shots of the solar robot, I believe it is called. Very, very nice. Do like how that looks. Up here we do get S.T.E.M, which I believe is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. I mean, it's kind of obvious right there. Up on this corner, you do get Lucky Doug, I believe that is. Not sure what that is. I don't know if they're the ones who created this, or if S.T.E.M created it, or who created this exactly. But I do know that it looks really nice. I do like it. And obviously we do get this little box, basically telling us that, yes, indeed, it is solar power. Now, I would say I would love to, open this up and, test that out, but obviously I can't do that right now, due to the fact that it's raining, due to weather. But nonetheless, I'm still very eager to open this up. Down here, we do get the words down here, which entails 12 solar robots, which is obviously they really mean 12-in-1. Educational, nice. I'm sure, hope it is. I mean, they have it plastered all over. They kind of have it advertised all over this box. The fact that it's educational. Yeah, I can kind of see that. There's some interesting little gearing mechanisms and little gear ratios and stuff that are going on in this thing. Plus the whole solar panel thing. So I can get that. Robotistic? Do they mean robotics? Oh well. There's mechanical, there's scientific, and fun, of course. And over here we do get this, which means age 8+. Alright. Up here we do get the educational 12-in-1 kits, solar robots, and all that. But over here on this corner, you do see product shots and the names of each of the 12 models that you could build in this. It says 12-in-1. I do notice that this kit is advertised as a 12-in-1, but if I'm right, I believe this has 2 additional modes, 2 additional configurations that are not advertised in this packaging. I do based on what I've experienced with something similar to this, because a little bit of story time. a long time ago, and I do mean a really long time ago, long before my channel, I have gotten a solar paddle, a solar paddle. What am I saying? Solar powered like robots like kit thing, which was and like like a long time ago, I've gotten like this solar powered kit robot, and what it was basically a robot kit that was exactly like this, but in a different color scheme. But the main difference between this one and that one, aside from colors, was the fact that that one was advertised with 14 official configurations, whereas this one only advertises 12. How interesting. I might like go into like each models and like see like if there's a reason why they took out the 2 models that they did. But the models that they do feature here all look quite interesting. So here we get a look at the bottom. Obviously, here's where you get all your like stuff that you like typically put in the bottom of your packaging. Here we get the box from this side. For nice, you do get like half the models like showing up here again on the side of the box, educational and all that, enjoyable. Turning around, here is more of that, but it shows up off the other 6 product shots on this side. And here's the box from the top and all that. You get more product shots of the robots. You do get educational solar robots and all these words and things and all that. But with that, we can turn this around and take a look at what I assume is the back of the box. At least I'm pretty sure that this is the back of the box, because it doesn't feature as much of the advertising and stuff. Obviously, we do get that again, the solar power thing, implication thing again. We do see a different model that's like fully like scaled up it and looking nice. Do get this again. Do get this again. Then we get all your words and things. You can take a good look at that if you want. Oh, nice. Age is A+. Then we get like the hands and basically showing off like little like warning labels: choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years, and solar panel. Very nice. The box itself is not quite that interesting, but it's alright. But it's alright. Again, it's not really. I'm not really interested in like collecting much of these boxes, anyways. But enough about the box. Let's get this box open. I'd say it's time we get this open. And look, the rain apparently stopped. That's nice. So I'm going to open it from this side, and yes, there's going to be a piece of tape here that can be sliced off pretty easily. Sheath that back in. And then what I do is I'm going to pull this out. Then I'm going to pull out all of its contents. So, here's all that stuff. Oh, here's the sprues. In case it wasn't obvious, yes, this is indeed a sort of model kit-esque thing. And here's the instruction book. And that's pretty much it for the box. So, we can, fold this back up, and we can set this box aside. For our content, for the content of this packaging, do get all this. Let's start off with the sprues. So let's get the sprues open. Boom. Get this baggie out of the way. Very nice. Of course, we can get this open too. Very nice. We got all of that. And tell you what, we'll start off with the non-sprue stuff. So first and of all, let's start with the stickers. So here we got, kind of a little bit bent over there, but it should be fine. Here we got the stickers for the decals, and got stickers and stuff for the design of the robots. Very nice. Alright, they don't look too bad, like that. And we get a second sheet of stickers, but this is quite interesting. Why? Quite interesting. So what this is that in this baggie right here, it comes with even more of these Ziploc baggies of the same size. So you get a bunch of these Ziploc baggies. Okay, so you get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus this one would be 10. That's not counting the 2 smaller ones. So yeah, you get 9 or 10 of these Ziploc baggies. And so here we have stickers. We have these label stickers. So what this is that when you cut the parts out of here, out of the sprues, you put these stickers onto each bag, and then you put each of these parts. You segregate each of these parts into the bags. That is honestly quite nice. And this is something I do remember my old one having. The 14-in-1 having. This is one I remembered my first one having. Very nice. I do enjoy this. Gives you a place for all of your parts. And then this Ziploc baggie gets a few of these rubberized tire-esque pieces. Very rubbery, they feel nice. I do like how these are. They feel nice. Let's move on to the next thing. So, opening up this bag. Opening up this bag. So in this bag, we get this white gear with a metal rod sticking through. We got a green gear. Very nice. A smaller red gear with some teeth off to the side. Here we get a metal pin. and a couple of these pieces. They're both just on the same like paper thing. These are like sticky on. These are like little foam things that are sticky on both ends. That can stick on both ends, on both sides. You can like peel it off like a band-aid, and then you can like attach it into where it needs to be. Very nice. In this baggie we have our interesting parts. So first of all, we have this really tiny, like extremely tiny. I don't even know if I can get it. Oh, looks like I can. We have this extremely tiny gear, white gear. That's nice. But we also get the solar panel that is going to attach to the head of this robot. And we have, boom, a couple of wires, a couple tiny wires that end on little like loops. And on the end of these wires, we have, on each end we have little loops, and they both are attached to this motor right here, which is a little tiny motor. Quite interesting. Very, very nice. Next up, we got this. This is another thing I remember my other one having. So this is a giant boat. So this is something that can be folded up, and it can form like little pontoons, like little like boat like pontoons and stuff like that. So you can make your robot float if you want to. That's nice. Obviously stuff will be punched out and all that. Obviously stuff like that's gonna have to come off to allow us to fit stuff through these holes. But very nice. Very nice. We also get the instruction booklet, which has a nice bit of thickness to it. Very nice. Though the instructions on this is very. Oh, look, here's the parts lists. That's nice. Really nice. Oh, and it also continues to this next page. That's really cool. So yeah, it's a really thick book, because this one book shows you like each of the different models. So that's quite interesting. And obviously it will tell you how to build like the base stuff, like the body and head and stuff like that. And also shows the parts list and all that. Very nice. And with that out of the way, how about we take a look at the sprues themselves? And so, let's start off with these gray ones. So, these are 2 gray sprues. So here we get, let's Yeah, here we get sprue A. I'm looking for the letters. So this is sprue A. And sprue B is this one. Now on my 14-in-1 kits, solar kits, these gray sprues were both white. The plastic on them were white on the one I had, while they're gray here. Very, very interesting. Very nice. Next up, we got this. This is sprue E. And it's a really nice blue color. This is a really nice color. On my old one, this sprue was in yellow on my other one. But I honestly really do like this blue color. It's very nice. I'm honestly quite impressed with this color. That's a really nice color. Then we move. Man, something I'm noticing, these sprues are a little warped. Not too bad. Here is sprue C, and this is black. Now on my other one, on the other one that I've gotten, this sprue was in dark gray, like darker than this gray. So here it is black. And it looks alright. I do like it. Very nice. And of course, we also get sprue D. The D's right there. And it's really only just the two parts. You get this nice translucent orange. But on my on the one I've had before, this sprue was done in a translucent dark blue. And that was the color. So that was the color that this sprue was in on the one I've had. Again, this is really pretty much the same kit, but again, the parts are just in different colors. Like, it has everything. Like, it pretty much has everything from the stickers to the Ziploc baggies to the tire pieces to the tiny little solar panel. This one has everything that I remember this kit having. It also has the boat piece, which that's nice. This kit has everything that I remember this kit having. Just in a different color. Just in different colors. And I honestly really do like this blue color for this sprue. Very nice. Can't wait to put it together. Quite interesting. Quite interesting indeed. Very interesting. Overall, this unboxing turned out really nicely. And definitely does bring back some memory. Brings back some memories. Very, very nice. And that'll be it. If you enjoyed this unboxing, consider to like and subscribe, and maybe even comment if you want. And of course, I will be posting again sooner or later.